Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got another unboxing from Sephora and it's one of their Sephora Favourites beauty bags. It's a mixed brand full of lip items. I had some credit on my account after buying the advent calendar, so I had about £25 off. So I got it for half price essentially. There's 7 different Sephora Favourite beauty bags available to purchase. This one is £49 and it is worth £143. And prices range from this one, which is the cheapest, to a fragrance discovery set, which is £79, and all of them have huge savings. So if you're interested in taking a look, then you'll find links to them down below in my description. Plus down there I'll pop my Sephora code. If you weren't already aware, I do have a personal Sephora code to share with you all. Unfortunately it can't be used against these gift sets, but if you shop regularly on the Sephora website, you can get 20% off, not up to, but 20% off most things site-wide, and that is Beautygeek SPH. So anyway, let's get on and showing you what's inside. I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for a toiletry bag, and this is just so lovely. It's really squishy, and I wonder if there's black and white stripy inside. No, it's not, but it would have been cool if it was. But yeah, no, it's a really nice bag. I like it. I love the bright colours as well. So let's get these out. My daughter spotted this. She's 19. And she's really into her beauty, like her mama. And she's like, ooh, that looks a good one, mum. Are you filming it? Yes. Oh, okay. We've got a Tatcha. We've got Merit. We've got Inde Wild, which is new for me. We've got TirTir. We've got Kosas. We've got Power 28. And we have got Huda Beauty. All big well-known names. Let's start with the Huda Beauty then. This is a lip contour, automatic lip pencil in shade Rusty Pink. Oh, it's a retractable one, which is good. I love that colour. It is the perfect rose. Oh my gosh. It is gorgeous and it's so smooth. Look at that. That is really, really nice. I love that. I would actually use that as an all over lip colour and just like smudge it in, but no doubt we'll probably have some glosses or some oils or lipsticks to go over the top. But yeah, really happy with that. I love that. Let's go for Tower 28, and this is Shine On Lip Jelly in Pistachio. There. And I think I got this one. It might be from a Sephora advent calendar or something else, I don't know. I'm sure I've got this colour and I love it. Yeah, it's really nice. I'd love to try more products from Tower 28. But yeah, it's really pretty, isn't it? So it's a lip jelly. Not as sticky as a gloss, but a little bit stickier than an oil. And it's got a slight tint to it as well. Yeah, I like that. These two would go perfect together actually. I've just seen the name of this Kosas Wet Lip Oil is Jaws. It's a warm red. Okay. Yeah, that's great. Look how beautiful that is. The packaging, it's stunning, isn't it? And the colour. It's so lovely. So let's see what Jaws is like then. I think it's quite shimmery as well. Yes, it is. It is very subtle. I honestly don't think that you'd be able to see that on camera. But the colour's lovely, isn't it? I love the lip oils. They're gorgeous. I have got a red Kosas one, but I don't think it's called Jaws. So it's a wet look lip oil. Now we go to Korean TirTir. So what is this one? This one is pretty as well. The packaging is stunning. And this is just a clear one, is it? This is Waterrism Lip Plumper, volumizing and glow lasting. Look how beautiful the packaging is. It's like a glass ornament, isn't it? It is so lovely. It's a curved plastic spatula. No real colour, just very slight pink, which you can sort of see in there, but you're not going to see it on your lips as such. It's just to create like a brightening effect to the lips. No, you're not going to see it at all. Let's try some. I'll just do it in the middle. Oh, I can feel it. It hasn't got that horrible smell like of deep heat that I absolutely hate. I've accidentally put a little bit on my tongue and it's like, woo. Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it going a bit numb on my tongue. The taste is alright. Yeah, it's fruity. Yeah, so there's that. I like that. I thought I already had one of those, but I don't think I have. Not a plumping one to plump my tongue. But anyway, right, we've got Inde Wild. This is a dewy lip treatment. 2% vegan butter, peptides and pomegranate, rose, lotus and squalene. And there's 15 mils there. Okay. Difference is our superpower. Rooted in Ayurvedistry. If you've tried anything from this brand before, let me know what you think and what you've tried. I haven't. I don't think I've even heard of it. Use as needed throughout the day and as an overnight lip mask. Can be applied over lipstick or pencil for a glazed finish. Has it got a smell? So it's one of these. Just put a little bit on my hand there. Just looks like a normal balm. And it feels like a really, really sticky, thick balm. No, there's no scent. So it's a dewy lip treatment there. Then we move on to Merit. Signature Lip, lightweight lipstick in shade Slip. This rings a bell. I wonder if I've had this in an advent calendar. It's like a coppery, sort of like my nails type colour, or a bit darker, deeper red. I wonder. No, it's not. And no, I haven't had this one. I know I don't like it. I love the design. I absolutely love the design, but no. That is not a shade for me, unfortunately. Hold on a minute. Okay, I can change my mind. Let's see. It's not as pigmented as I thought it would be. It looks quite nice. It's still, yeah, chocolatey brown shades do not suit me at all. But that is a nice lipstick. It's a satiny type finish. It'd be nice like that, but I think it'd be nicer with more of a rose colour. Oh, actually, these two together would go really, really nice. Definitely the Huda Beauty rosy lip liner and then this in the middle. I think that would be really nice. So I'm not going to pass it on just yet. I'm going to see if I can work with it to see if it would suit me. But I do love the Merit lipstick, so yeah, I'm not passing that on fast. Nope. And then last we've got Tatcha. I love Tatcha. This is Kosas Lip Tint with SPF 25, medium protection, in shade Midnight Lily. And I haven't tried this yet. The packaging is always stunning, isn't it? It's just so smart. Made in Japan. Wow, that looks a dark plum colour. How pigmented are you? That is beautiful. That is so, so pretty. Look. I like that a lot. See, again, that's quite dark, but I think with the Huda Beauty lip liner, I think rubbing a little bit of this in the middle and blotting it out, I think would be stunning. Really, really pretty. I love the fact, again, it's more of a satiny finish, so it's lighter, it's more flattering. I'm thinking of me. So yeah, the Kosas Lip Tint with SPF 25. So it's like a tinted lip balm, essentially. And there you go. Those are all the products in the Sephora Favourites Holiday Lip Kit. We've got a Shine On Lip Jelly by Tower 28. We've got a Jaws Wet Lip Oil by Kosas. We've got a gorgeous lip contour automatic lip pencil by Huda Beauty. We've got a Waterrism lip plumper by TirTir. We've got Inde Wild, a lip treatment. We've got a signature lip lightweight lipstick by Merit. And lastly, we have got the Kosas Lip Tint in Midnight Lily by Tatcha in this gorgeous pink travel bag. I love this. I love the fact that there's some amazing brands in there. The quality of the products are really good as well. The colour of the Merit lipstick, I'm on the fence, as you know, but hopefully I can work with that. I think they work together really, really nicely and they all complement each other really well as well. Yeah, that is a really gorgeous beauty bag if you are a lip lover like myself. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought any of the other Sephora Favourites beauty bags? Or are you thinking, no, not for me this time? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.